Good morning, I'm Daniel Van Gundy, Safety Manager for Loven Contracting. Today we're going to chill out and discuss winter weather hazards on the job site. Winter can bring unique risks to construction, so it's important we know how to stay safe and reduce hazards. Always remove snow from your vehicle or equipment before operating. This helps increase visibility and reduces hazards to other drivers on the road. Plan ahead and give yourself additional time getting to your destination in winter weather conditions. While on the road, give extra stopping distance between you and the vehicle in front of you. Snow accumulation can block walkways and cover up hazardous items like tools or materials that you could trip over and make surfaces slippery. Hidden hazards may be covered during increased snowfall. Ensure proper snow removal equipment is available, such as shovels, snowblowers, salt, or other equipment as needed. Clear snow from high traffic areas, equipment, and entry points. Make sure scaffolding, ladders, and steps are clear of snow and ice. When removing snow from heights such as roofs or scaffolding, make sure you're properly tied off and aware of your surroundings and any individuals below. Use salt, sand, or other traction aids to improve traction on icy surfaces such as sidewalks. To mitigate risk, wear proper footwear such as slip-resistant boots and take smaller steps, use cleared walkways, and keep your work areas uncluttered. During cold weather, long exposure outdoors can cause damage to your extremities in the form of frostbite. This is when skin and tissue begin to freeze, commonly followed with numbness, tingling, and discoloration. Skin that is cold to the touch is cause for concern. During exposure to cold weather, there is also a risk of hypothermia. This is when your internal body temperature drops below 95 degrees and can become fatal eventually. To prevent these, dress in layers. Wear moisture-wicking base layers, insulated middle layers, and a waterproof outer layer. Make sure to wear gloves and a hat that can cover your ears. Hand and foot warmers can also be helpful. And remember, you need to wear high visibility as your outermost layer of clothing. If someone is suffering from hypothermia, rapid warming is crucial. Move the individual to a warm area, remove cold and wet clothes, and wrap them in warm blankets. Provide warm liquids if possible. Immediately seek medical attention. With frostbite, run extremities under cool, not hot water, and seek medical attention. Take frequent breaks and warm up in heated areas or vehicles. Stay dry and stay hydrated. Winter comes with increased risks, and be proactive. Dress appropriately and know how to respond to cold conditions, and we can all stay safe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. As always, if you have any questions, reach out to Loven Contracting. Have a great day and stay safe and stay warm.